everyone. I'm going to be taking some time away from YouTube to focus on recharging and spending time with my family and also some other life areas which I'll go into later on in this video. I will be back with new videos starting Saturday, August 17th, so please mark your calendars. If you want to get notified when I post videos, you can sign up for my mailing list. I will leave the link in the description down below. And also I'm going to be giving away at least one free printable between now and August 17th to that mailing list. So make sure that you are signed up if you want access to that. And if you want to make sure that those emails are not going to your spam folder, you can just search Personalize My Planner in your emails and select Not Spam at the top of the page. One of the reasons for this break is to give me time to be able to design the 2025 Personalize My Planner Faith Planner. I realized that in order to make that planner what I want it to be, I really need to dedicate more time and energy into doing that. In addition to the Etsy shop, I'm also working 2 jobs now. It's temporary, just for a few months until I transition into my new full-time job. But right now I am working kind of part-time for a university and also a full-time job at a hospital. So that's taking up a lot of hours each week. And because of this, I haven't had time to properly take care of my health, which is causing those flare-ups that I mentioned in the community tab a few weeks ago. So it is essential for me to get my health under control in order to be able to make content for you. I would love to hear from you, so please comment down below with any video requests that you have, any sort of input you have in the type of content you want to see. Your input is extremely valuable to me. It really helps me to know what you want to see on this channel so that I can actually create useful videos for you, because that's the whole point of this channel. When I return, I'll be focusing on viewer requested videos, and we will also be wrapping up the series that we are currently in. And in the meantime, please use this as an opportunity to catch up on the other videos on this channel. There are almost 500 videos at this point, so I will link all of those playlists down below, and I'll see you on August 17th. Bye!